Hello friends, in this video I am going to find out formulas for moment of inertia of a rectangular section. So let us consider one rectangle. Consider one rectangle of width B. Width of this rectangle is B and depth of this rectangle is D. Depth of this rectangle is D. Now this is centroid and this is the centroidal x-axis. This is centroidal x-axis and this is D by 2 because the centroid of rectangle is at D by 2 from the on vertical side, and this is vertical centroidal axis, that is YY, and it is at B by 2. It is at B by 2. This is G, and area of this total area of this rectangle is A. Now let us consider. So first write down B is the width of the section, and D is the depth of the section, Now consider one elementary area. Or elementary strip. Now let us consider elementary strip. So this is elementary strip. The distance of this strip, distance of centroid of this strip from horizontal x-axis is y, and the area of this strip is DA. And this is the depth of this strip, that is dy, and width of strip is same B. So this is one elementary strip. Now area of this elementary strip is what? Area of strip, that is DA is equal to what? B into dy. So let us take as a equation 1. Now take a moment of inertia of the strip about x-axis. So moment of inertia of strip about x-axis. So is equal to what? Area of strip into distance square. So distance is y and area of strip is dA. So it is equal to dA is what? B into dy into y square. So that is equal to b y square dy. So this is second equation. Now let us calculate, we require total moment of inertia. So take total moment of inertia. I am writing here mi. Total moment of inertia of section about x-axis, that is horizontal axis, is equal to what? Integration. So we calculated moment of inertia of this strip. So this section is consisting of infinite number of strips. So take integration of this moment of inertia of strip about x-axis. So integration b y square dy. and the limit is from minus d by 2 to plus d by 2. Minus d by 2 to plus d by 2. So is equal to, b is constant, so comes outside the integration, minus d by 2 to d by 2 y square dy. So we know the formula of integration, that is integral x raised to n dx is equal to what? X raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So here take integration of y square, so y raised to 2 plus 1 means y cube divided by 3. So limit is from minus d by 2 to plus d by 2. So that is equal to, put the limit. So y cube means d by 2 cube. D by 2 cube divided by 3 minus d by 2 cube divided by 3. Now the last step is b, and we have put the limit. So this is nothing but ixx. So what is ixx then? Ixx is equal to d by 2 cube. So b is as it is in bracket. D by 2 cube means d cube divided by cube of 2 is 8. So d cube divided by 8 divided by this 3 minus the cube of this bracket is minus d cube by 8 divided by 3. So it is equal to b into bracket 8 into 3 24. Minus minus becomes plus into d cube divided by 8 into 3 24. So that is equal to b into 2 times d cube divided by 24, because same there, therefore 2 times. So 2 12. So b into d cube divided by 12. So this is ixx. So this is the formula for moment of inertia of a rectangle about xx axis, that is equal to what? Bd cube divided by 12. This is the formula, Bd cube divided by 12. Now what is the formula for moment of inertia about y axis? So similarly Iyy is equal to db cube divided by 12. db cube divided by 12. So moment of inertia about xx axis, moment of inertia of rectangle about xx axis is bd cube divided by 12, and about y axis is db cube divided by 12. So remember these two formulas. By using these two formulas you can solve the problems based on rectangular section. So you can find out moment of inertia of rectangular section by using these two formulas. Now friends, let us see one problem based on rectangular section. So this is the problem. A rectangular beam section has width of 200 mm and depth of 300 mm. Using parallel axis theorem, calculate moment of inertia about its base. Let us see how to find out moment of inertia. Now first write down given. So what is given? Given is what? Rectangular section is there. So draw rectangular section. Rectangular section of width is 200 mm and depth is 300 mm. that is B is equal to 200 mm and D is equal to 300 mm. Now this is centroidal axis XX and this is base, and we have to find out moment of inertia about its base. So this is base. So make this axis as a AB axis. AB axis. Now this is the distance between two axes. That is, this total is 300. So half is 150 mm. This is distance between two axes, that is H. Now this is given. Now we have to find moment of inertia about base of the rectangle. So what is base? Base is AB. So we have to find IAB. Now what is formula? So we have to find this moment of inertia by using parallel axis theorem. So use the formula of parallel axis theorem. So what is parallel axis theorem? IAB is equal to IG plus A into H square. So here IG, that is centroidal axis, is IXX. So you can put the IXX instead of IG. Now what is IG, that is IXX is equal to BD cube divided by 12. We know the formula for rectangle IXX is equal to BD cube divided by 12. And the area of rectangle is B into D. Okay, B into D. Now let's see how to solve this. Solution. Now first find out IXX, that is IG, then area, then H, and put all the values in this equation and get the answer. So first find out IG, that is equal to IXX in this case. So IXX for rectangle is BD cube divided by 12. So what is B? B is a 200 into D is 300 and cube is there. So divided by 12. So what is IXX? So put all these values in your calculator. You will get 450 into 10 raised to 6, and the unit of moment of inertia is mm raised to 4. Now find out area of the rectangle. So area of the rectangle is B into D. B into D. So B is 200 into D is 300. So area is what? 60 into 10 raised to 3. The unit of area is mm square. And what is H? H is the distance between two parallel axes. So what is distance? 150 mm. Now put all these values in this equation. So IAB is equal to IXX plus A into H square. So IXX is 450 into 10 raised to 6 plus area is 60 into 10 raised to 3 into H is 150 square. So that is equal to, put all these values in your calculator, calculate this as separate, and then add this value. You will get 1.8 into 10 raised to 9 mm raised to 4 as IAB. So IAB is what? Your answer. That is what? Moment of inertia about base of the rectangle. So this is the answer. So this is the method to solve problem based on rectangular section. Thank you very much.